It's pretty much the home screen of the application. You have a lot of AI templates which you can use. All you have to do is pretty much upload a photo of yourself and you pretty much get these results. So as you can see here, quite a lot of options. As you can see here, as it relates to this application here, you can scroll and look for what you want as it relates to this. As you can see here, you have the corporate or the LinkedIn profile option. And in this corporate section here, you can just pretty much select whichever one you want. For example, this one here. And all you have to do is just upload a clear image of yourself and you pretty much get these results. So it's a very easy application to use. And as well, in the AI profile section here, these are pretty much a different, I would say, a few photos you'd have to not upload a few photos, but you'd have to go in the profile option here and upload a photo of yourself, and it will pretty much generate any one of these templates that you want. So it's very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. And here you can pretty much turn your photo that you have uploaded into cartoons, animations and so forth. And you have the runaway look and so forth. So a lot of things you can do once you have uploaded a photo of yourself. And just pretty much just adding a few photos of yourself, about 6 to, once you have had those photos, you'll be able to use any one of these here. And as it relates to the subscription, you can tap on the Get Pro option here at the top. As you can see here, as it really pretty much offer a weekly subscription and a yearly subscription. As you can see here, the prices for these subscriptions. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I will see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.